Hello everyone, Vivi-chan here. So we're back with more Dr. Stone and we're gonna jump into episode 12 and play. Oh, what exactly is that? He's all gloating over there. That is so mean. Damn, you got karma. Is it easier to make than. Oh, and we need to make it stronger, right? Whoa, that looks nice. Hmm. Just don't make fun of Kohaku. Man, he's gonna have a lot of accidents. You're gonna lose that spear. Just watch. No, no, no. They it took too long to make it. Censor. Oh, poison? Poison. Wait. Mm, not so fun anymore, huh? Evening world. Good morning world. Ohio. Sekai, good morning world. I need to remember that. But the opening just like jumped out. It didn't give me time to like say it. Anyways, like, oh, we didn't get to see Borsuika. I wanted to see her. Well, she's gonna be under the watermelon, but either way, she's cute. She's just so adorable. Gotta be protected. And man, the part with the glasses just really hit me last episode, just cause like, I remember being in class and just, I couldn't see the board, and it was just weird because I'm a pretty shy, introverted kid, so it was weird to like ask the person next to me, like, can I look at your notes? It was just weird. And like, I don't know, I was like separated into like different tables, and like my tables had all dudes, so it's like even more weird for me. I mean, it's not weird to ask, but it was middle school at the time, so an awkward age. Yeah, but once I got glasses, whoa, I could see the board. Yeah, and the other part was we got the old man. Sorry, I don't know the name. The craft crafter. I don't know what you call him. Yeah, he's helping us make some glass, and we got all sorts of beakers and the flask and all that to help measure. So yeah, and right now we're trying to get the sofa drug. So I'm guessing the spear is to point out there's poison or something. Cause I don't know. I remember like if you have a silver spoon, it helps to like detect. Hmm. Let me see. Yeah, silver spoon is to detect there's poison in the food. If I'm wrong. Oh man. Oh, yeah. What's the point in that? I'm scared something is coming out of those trees. What? Wow. He makes the best faces, Ginro. Oh my gosh. He he's expecting to see mermaids, angels, sirens, but beware. There we go, the glass bottles. Is it under? Mm-hmm. Yep. Slowly, dude. Oh man. No, he's mesmerized. I love that color of hair. That Hatsune Miku color blue green. Oh shoot! Dude! Love that symbolism. Oh my god. I missed that word. Renkinjutsu. Alchemy. Oh my goodness. Sulfuric acid. Oh, he's. Oh no, his sword. Oh, they're back already. They need to find another way to get close. Are we gonna make a suit? Or. Holy crap! Mother Nature is scary. Mm hmm. Yup. Like a mask, a suit, filter, there we go, gas mask. Oh. I mean, I know it's not realistic because they make things so fast, but, it's all about the story. An error in the death. If I don't come back, you will be there to take over. Oh, that's so exciting. Especially looking up at that sky. It's like glistening. What about being a genius scientist? You're the closest thing. If not for. Yes, and gloves. Rubber boots, yes. What about his neck? Yeah, in case you die. Which we know, like, high percentage Senku's not gonna die. He knows you're coming back. He knows. Exactly. But realistically, Senku is right. You never know. Someone could die. But that's true as well. Senku is what we need. Using that 10 billion percent. Oh, that's true as well, but Senku wants to be more hands on. Oh! Mm. Realistically, Senku is right, but I'm liking Chrome's idea more. Like working together, we can have a better chance of getting the sulfuric acid. Yeah. Wait, the sulfuric drug to make, yeah. You know, yeah, if one person goes down, maybe the other can help the other. Raise my percentage of 0.1%. Taiju. Yes. Trust me too. Pound it. No. A pat on the back? Yes. All you need is the words. You don't need. Oh, I like that. She's like, boys. Oh, if Rudy passed, they want Kohaku to be the next priestess and learn the 100 tales. Oh, exactly. We're not preparing for her death. We got a plan. Oh, this was from before when she tried to get the water. Oh, that's so cute. But he's willing to make that sacrifice. You guys are so rude to her. She's the best. I love Kohaku. I know she's proving the point, but I like to say she's got some personality. Whoa, look at that pan to the sunlight. When I see that, all I think of is like Toy Story with the Woody and everything we've learned, put them together. Nice. Gas mask. Revenge mask. Revenge. Yeah, I can't say it. Revenge match. Yeah, okay, we are getting sulfuric acid. Okay. We just have to be careful because it's poisonous. Poisonous isn't even the correct word. It's hazardous. It's, yeah. Hmm. I mean, he was all talk, but it's okay. We could make another one. You're perfect. Mm-hmm. Oh! Oh, very nice. I feel like they need goggles too, but it'd take too long to get it. That is so creepy. True. Plus, you panic, you use more oxygen. No, he's scared too. He's just. Man, I love all these characters. This is such a good show. I'm glad he stayed. Because I thought he'd like go back to the village, like the guy who ate the ramen and the girls. That's true. If you don't know fear, you could charge right into the wrong battle and die. That's very true. I'm liking these talks, these advice. Exactly. Oh yeah. Is he even gonna get prescription glasses? Mm-hmm. is it gonna... Oh no, there's a hole in the... oh my god, he's gonna fall in. Oh my god, please tell me. Ah! Oh my god! Kinro, Ginro, I mean. No, 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 no. I don't believe. There we go. Oh my god. Holy freaking hell. Oh my god, that's screamier than anything. Oh my god! Don't snap in half! Bring it back, bring it back! Come on, you can do it, dude! Ah! Control your breath. The breathing technique. I'm loving the jazz. Oh man, proving yourself to be the man that you are. Mother Nature, we have captured you. Getto da ze! Give me the sub. Yeah. Acquired sulfuric acid. Yeah. Oh my god, that was such a good episode. I think, like, this is my favorite episode. Like, the previous episode was pretty good too, um, seeing Suika with the glasses and making glass and just, each episode gets better and better. Yeah, I got a little emotional over these episodes, but this episode was just so good, man. And I love the symbolism of Mother Nature. Like it looks beautiful, right? You get closer to it, and then the dangers of it. Mother Nature is like just pounces on you, and that's such a scary feeling. And I love how it showed, yeah. And we see a little bit character growth with Ginro. Obviously, he's compared to, I think, is Kinro his brother? Compared to Kinro, he's more like wimpy, joking around. Like, Kinro the whole time is just like fighting and like just trying to be the strongest so we can make him the next leader. And Kohaku on the side is training him as well. But Ginro, he's not as motivated, and he's more like laid back. He's curious about magic. He's scared a lot of things. Wait, did they add things? Because I don't remember that. But anyways, like Ginro, once he got the silver spirit, he's like so happy. He's excited. He wants to do things, but maybe a little too over excited. But once you told him like when your silver spirit becomes black, like it means death. But I know Senku maybe should have phrased it better, but it's the truth. You better let people know. So yeah, so as we get closer to that emerald green spring, we're like, it's so beautiful, but even closer, like the sulfuric gas, there's like a whole bunch of like chemical gases going on interacting that could kill you. And of course, during this time, Ginro wasn't paying attention. He got closer. His whole spear turned black. But yeah, good thing like Senku like grabbed him. And after this, he was just so shook and it was deemed at that point like it was too dangerous to go on. And they go back to make the gas mask. And there's like a whole bunch of like thing going on, filtering the charcoal and potassium going on. And two big parts I really like was or maybe three. Kohaku's like, I can do it, I can get it quickly, but Senku's like, once it gets within your reach, you could die. Like one person just knelt down to breathe it in, and instant death. Okay, and during this time they decided to make the gas mask. The next time was Senku was telling Chrome, like, you can't come because in case I don't come back, I need someone to take over. But Chrome's like, no, let's do this together. Theory-wise, Senku is correct. Theory-wise, realistically, Senku is correct because if he actually doesn't make it back, because we just saw how dangerous it was, then he needs someone to take it on. But Chrome's idea is if we all go together, like I can help you, you can help me, we can get it faster and got each other's back. And during this, so they go together. Like I love that speech. And during this time, I also like that. There's a lot of good moments. I guess there's more than three. Kohaku tells Chrome like, you love my big sister Rudy. Like it would have been best if you marry her, but you're giving that for Kinro. It doesn't, because to you, as long as she lives, that's all it is to it. So, and then she makes the offer like, hey, I could be your wife, and he's like, hell no, you gorilla. Which I know it's a joke, but like in my head, I'm just like, I love Kohaku. Just don't make fun of her, And Kohaku is always dealing with the fact that like her sister is weak. She wants to help protect her. She doesn't want to take over her sister and she tries to become the bad daughter when reality is she just wants her sister to live, and Senku gives her this opportunity. And lastly, I love the old man giving Ginro that talk about fear. Like, everyone is scared. Fear is essential to survival. You can't just think, oh, you're gonna face like lions. Like you cower before it and you try to run away, escape. I mean, if you're strong enough, like Tsukasa, you can like beat it, or if you have weapons, you can try. But if it's just in your mind you're gonna lose to this lion in speed, strength, everything, pretty much. Yeah, and he's yeah, I love that speech. Like everyone has this. Everyone is scared too. I used to be a wimp, and then Ginro sees how come Senku and Ginro, they're also scared, but they overcome this because for the future, for like their goals, they're willing to like go and do more than they can overcome it. And so he like, old man coincidentally has like an extra mask that he's making it as he's talking, and like we grab it, go, and like Senku and Ginro gets the sulfuric acid, and there's like a hole, and Chrome lets Senku know, so they help each other out. They're gathering at double the pace, and finally, oh my gosh, when Chrome slipped and like Ginro came in, and they both help each other get out of it. And once again, I love the symbolism of Mother Nature. I'm calling it Mother Nature, the angel. She looks scary and scary each time. Before she was like an angel, then she starts looking like a demon, and then at the end she started looking like a corpse. Like she's all like deformed, and like skin has rotted and like faded, sagged. Ugh, that's creepy. It's effective. It looks good, and I'm like worried about everyone. Like this episode, everyone had a fair share of like parts, and I love it. Only part is we didn't get enough Suika, but that's okay. And for next time, and of course with Kinro, the prescription glasses, we're gonna have to like hopefully he gets it in time. I mean, there's less time now. I don't know how much time we had, 2 months, and yeah, I mean maybe he's strong enough without needing it, but I don't know. Hopefully like Ginro brings it up, because like maybe he's getting more liking into Senkun, or the magic, not the magic, the science. Yeah. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this reaction. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know your comments and questions down below. I'll be sure to read them, and see you guys for the next reaction. Peace out.